ओके, आमच्याकडे एक कंप्लेंट फाईल केली रिगार्डिंग सम posters and of Hindu gods, goddesses, some about Muslim religion, with some defamatory words. So because of this, आमच्या लोकांची भावना दुखवली. So their religious sentiments were hurt, and they have filed a complaint at Pasco police station, which we have registered, and we have arrested one NGO Fernandez, who is a resident of Chicalem. So today he will be produced before JMFC for the remand.
The section.
Sections in this case are like 153A, 295A, 298, 504, 505 of IPC. The further investigation is carried out if any more other persons are linked in circulating this defamatory religious pictures with abusive words. So we will also get them on the books.